Hello, Wolfgang. Hello, everyone. Wolfgang just decided to jump up here, and I think he just wants to go by, and he's confused. So where can I go at? I wouldn't jump on into that, buddy. It won't hold you. Come on here. Do what you want when you get ready to. All right. We got a little lamp post space here. Looks beautiful, brassy. It would be nice if it was brassy, but it's not. It's just got the coloring on it to make it look brassy. Let's see what we can do here to take this thing apart. This piece don't want to come right off, so let's get the cord down here out of the way. Missing all this part already. Let's see if we lay it up here for a second. There's the cord. Gonna just pull out of there. I think it's going to. How about that? Sometimes you get amazed. Alright, so there's the cord. And it has a push button on and off. It may still be a nice cord to use for something else. But for now, it's going in the copper recycle box. Copper cords, that is. Wires, cords, doodad-a. Alright, which end to start with? Let's see. The base here has this plastic counterweight, probably with a little concrete in it. This one nut to take off of it there. We'll unscrew it from the base here, whichever it wants to do first. There we go. Ta-da! Now, what we got here? Take this section apart.
Wow. That's all sections.
Yeah.
Fit in our box.
It has a little brass ring in that end of it. And a little steel or piece here. But we'll just scrap it as it is. It's not probably worth all the trouble to cut the brass out of it. That looks like brass on the end there. The whole end piece. But it's too magnetic. So it must not be. But there's two. And now three. And these pieces. Let's see if we take this nut off of here. If the nut can get the nut off. Come on now, guys. Oh yeah, the nut's coming off. The nut was able to loosen the nut. Screw bucket open. Up. Pull that piece off. And that piece. A ring. This one. And looks like it has a little set screw in there to keep that on. It may. Well, we don't care. It's ready to go in the scrap bucket. Scrap bucket, scrap bucket. Just to be sure. Yep. Yep. Oh, that's heavy. Wow. It's metal too. And that's pretty. That's very heavy too. Huh. Spaceship. Okay. Let's put all this junk over here in the metal bucket. Scrap metal, scrap iron, scrap steel, scrap tin. They're all about the same. So we get this nut here to loosen up. Oh. What's the matter, nut? You can't get the nut loose? Whoa, that was tight. Let's go to the other side. Huh. Maybe. Ow. weird. Very weird. Let's get some help. Da, 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 da.
I tried to take one of these apart once and instead I just gave up.
Really?
Yeah. And then when I took it outside, I dropped it on the floor.
Uh-huh.
And it wasn't concrete inside of plastic, it was just concrete painted.
Right.
And then it broke and then I could get the piece out of it.
That'll do.
I don't think that would work in this situation.
No. Well, it's because I'm trying to take it off, but the other side's turning too, basically. Gotta hold both sides. But that side's not gonna be easy to hold with this. I don't think. Hold that one. See, can we get this one? Ow! Turn. Not. All right. So that says we'll set this aside for right now till we can dig out some wrenches, and then all we gotta do is take this little piece here off. It's just tin, and then there'll be this piece of plastic with the concrete in it. Don't remember what I did with the wrenches. Here they are. Might as well just go ahead and do it. Better talk about it. Yeah, just dump them all out everywhere. 11/16, eh? Okay. I don't have but one of those guys, so 5/8. Let's get the rest of them back in the bag here. I guess you can see me, I don't even know. Back around here. Get the rest of these wrenches back in this little wrench bag. Alright, 11/16, did you say? What we got here is a hammer. That persuader won't work on this, I don't think. 11/16. Yep, that appears to be the right one. Let's go stick it on this side. No, it's not the right one for that side. Huh. There you go. Well, come on now. Either you work or you don't work. Which is it? I'm thinking it's you don't work. Well, I was going to quit. Got too much going on here. This should not be this hard of a deal to work out. Why is it wanting to play so mean today? Think it finally wanting to come on off of there. Look at that, finally. Ta-da! Huh, that was a little cardboard halo washer inside of it. That's strange. Little piece of plastic out of there. Not like I really have to, I guess. But I'll try to take in it clean and mellow as possible. Ta-da! Alright. piece. Set it over there for now. I guess I should put the halo down. Hello there, Wolfgang. Kitty cat again. Couple more little washers. And ta-da! Another weight, in case you need to wait for something. Alright, let's set it over there for now. Come back over here. Look at this thing. Get that down in there. Cause not happy with it. The washer there, that there. And looks like that took care of Lampy. A little more harder, detailed than I thought it was gonna be. But hey, done now. Done and done. Way too long on it though. Alright, let's stick it. This is out of a microwave. Take this one out. And this one. This little guy here off of there. That's not the right bucket. Get it back out of there. And for what it's worth, which is nothing, it should go in the metal bucket.
Did you say I might have to light it later?
Later?
Yeah. Earlier?
In a moment.
Okay.
I just said you could, since I messed the last one up.
Oh, that's okay.
Well, you're like, come on now, I'm ready now. These little plugs off of there. Ta-da. Put them in this recycle. And the recycler. Come back over here to the box. Keep the fingers. Ow! Keep the fingers away from getting hurt on things. Dang, I want to keep putting them right in the way, ain't I? Not good. Not good. Alright, how about get some persuader? Persuader's not helping. Enough. Alright, aggravating me. Da, da, da. How the devil was that hooked together? Ow, that still hurts. Don't like banging on and making a lot of noise. But I guess that's what we're up for. Da, 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 da. Da, da, da. Every one of these is put together just a little bit different, it seems.
It's weird.
Yeah. Too much echoing noise. Drives me nuts. Ew, what about the neighbors? They don't even watch my videos. Brutus. You know how to open it, don't you, Brutus? Look at that. Brutus, open that side. Now, without any banging, can I get this side to do it as easily. Yeah, I think I can. Closer to the front, get more leverage. Oh yeah, and there's that thing in there you're not supposed to mess with or touch too much, right? We forgot about him. That's 3 ears loose. How about the 4th? There we go. Ta-da! Piece of steel for the steel scrapper. Now, might as well bend that on open. A little more like that. Nice shot there. A little more like that there too. On that steel. These are aluminum, all these fins, but first we gotta tell this. Get this piece of brass off of there and tell this. Come on out of there. Give me that. I think it's copper, but it might be aluminum wire. No, it feels like it's copper. Stop, magnet. There we go. Put that there for just a minute. Back to this piece. Tell it to give me the magnet. Ah, there's one. It still don't want to let me have the other one. That's alright. We have ways of making you talk. Oh yeah? What are them ways? Wait a minute, that'll work. This is pretty simple here because these are aluminum. To bend them around a little bit. If you get them bent around a little bit, they'll come off there pretty easily. Normally, unless you don't want them to. I mean, unless you really want them to. There's one. Come on. Stop being aggravating. Aggravating, dang you. Da, 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 da. There we go. Got that magnet off of that thing. There, finally gave it up. Got the piece of tin off of it. Whoa. And ow! It pinched my finger between them and bit it. That's a good strong magnet. If it can bite you. I shan't bite back. Shall not bite the magnet back. It would be pointless, as it would break out my tooth. Come on now. Just last little bit here. You should just come on and quit being aggravating. Why you want to be so aggravating? I didn't know. There's one. Come on now. Taking up too much of my time. And these fine people watching time. It's time to watch you play a aluminum tin battle. Come on off of there, dang it. That should be an easier way to make a living. Wait a minute though. This is fun. Don't complain. You like it. Ta-da! And this is the last piece that has that thingy-majigger in it. That's supposed to be highly corrosive and deadly. And I hope not, because I got it all over my hand. Ah! Just to be safe, we better wash it. Oh no, I can see the bones. It was radioactive. Ah. Just kidding. Wow. And look, I found out that I'm nicer than you think. Because I have a hair.
Okay.
I was afraid to bend over and pick that up though, that I'd get stuck in the ass with a pitchfork. Alright, so that's those guys. I'll aluminum them out. I kind of flatten them back out a little bit so they'll fit better together wherever they're going. Where are they going? And a piece of metal in the middle box. These guys need to go over in the aluminum box. And then here, what we got here. Come on out of there, copper. Now these are ripping the front off. Da da da! Go in there, copper. And there's the other one. And that's just a piece of metal with a little piece of ceramic on it, but it'll ride. It'll ride like that. But all this weird dust out of there. Hopefully it's not none of the whatever that bad stuff is. Iridium. Who knows? Anyhow, just in case, we'll clean it up. How many minutes is that?
22.
Okay. There we go. Alright. Let me find the garbage candle. Spoke almost all the words I know in that language. Not really. I can say get the hell on. Bonjour. I mean, that's not what that means.
No. Far from it.
Far from it?
Yeah.
I don't know about far from it. I'll just put that over there and that over there for now, and a piece of brass over here, and then this thing came out of that multi-CD serial changer earlier,
Oh yeah.
and I wanted to see what it looked like a little more. Sounds like this is a piece of tin, but it sounds like it's got glue all over everything in there too. I think it does. I think it had a lot of glue.
That's gonna be fun.
The glue?
Yeah.
You just take it and put it on the table outside and bang it with a hammer and bang all the glue off. Right now, I'm just getting this little cover off of it. Ta-da! See? Takes a little tin cover. Ta-da! Dun, 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 dun. It's a heck of a nice, pretty transformer. It's got lots of pretty copper around on it. Look at that. Copper band all the way around it. But yeah, underneath it, all the copper wires got lots of glue on it. It's gonna be all glued up for sure. But still interested in this thing. It looks cuckoo la Wow, stronger than I thought. It didn't just cut. I mean, it will just cut, but I thought it would just cut like scissors on it. There's another thing you don't know about. Another thing you don't understand, patience. Patience. Well, I am not a doctor. I have no need for patience. Get this back down flatter. Grab a hold. Pull out that darn easy, darn it. Oh, that's right, because it's uphill. Up and over. Up and over. And it still might have some glue on it too. Getting glue all over my work table, that's for sure. Huh. Aw, no wonder, dummy. It ain't coming out of there like that. It's all been up. I made such a mess out of it. So try it again. Gently. Gently. Cut from side to side. I think that cuts a little better than that. Maybe. But can you find it in less than a week? I don't know. I don't know. Let's see, does this cut any nicer? Nope. Watch me cut my thumb off. At least. Scrappy's not in here. See me do that? Not working either. Nothing's making it easy.
What are you doing? Why does the cat respond to me? What are you doing, cat?
I'm trying to get this off of here quickly and easily. But every time I try to do something quick and easy, I end up making it take a lot longer. Well, that was a good idea right there. Grab it and wiggle it where I put that razor cut on it. I made it come off of there a lot easier. This, I think, has a lot of the glue on it too. And yes, it is copper. Solid copper, copper, copper. It's a pretty little copper band. Dun, 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 dun. This was going to be a quicker video, but every time I say that, it just never pans out. Da, 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 da. I still make it take forever. Sometimes I have little shortcuts. Make it take twice as long. Shortcuts are never shortcuts. You just think they'll be shortcuts. And they add up to being longer cuts. Oh, okay, so got the copper off of it. And like I said, it's full of glue and all, so this is going to have to wait till we take it outside and crush it up with the hammer and beat all the glue off of it. That's the easy way.
Yay.
Okay. I guess that'll do for now. Maybe on the next video we can get to this thingy here. See what it's all about. It's a wee little mat. A wee all the way home. Okay, bye.